Looking to pass the NPOST police exam? You found the right video. Hello, I'm Sergeant George Godoy, and today we'll explore the NPOST, the National Police Officer Selection Test. The NPOST is a basic skills test used by many U.S. law enforcement agencies as their police officer written exam. The NPOST is particularly popular in Utah and other states looking for a reliable pre-employment screening tool. The NPOST is challenging for most applicants because it tests fundamental skills that many of us haven't used since school. The exam requires sharp test-taking abilities across multiple subjects in a compressed time frame. The test is 1 hour and 15 minutes long and covers 4 critical areas. First, mathematics, 20 word problems requiring basic math skills with no calculators allowed. Second, reading comprehension, 25 questions where you'll read policies and answer questions based on the information presented. Third, English grammar, 20 questions where you'll choose the best word to complete sentences or identify misspelled words. Finally, incident report writing, 10 questions where you'll read police reports and write clear, complete sentences. The tight time limits and diverse subject matter make the NPOST particularly demanding. Most applicants are rusty on these fundamental skills and need focused preparation to succeed. Don't let poor preparation end your law enforcement dreams. Get the top-rated NPOST Quick Prep course with over 1,000 5-star reviews. The course includes tutorials for all 4 test sections, hundreds of online practice questions, and lifetime access, plus bonus courses on polygraph, psych exam, and oral interviews. Click on the link to get started. There is also a link in the description and in the comments.